Welcome again to today's class. This day we want to go into quantitative analysis. Quantitative analysis, it has its brother that is answering qualitative. So we want to see what quantitative analysis is all about. This quantitative analysis is broadly divided into two. It is divided into two. One, classical, and two, instrumental. Then under classical is also divided into two, gravimetric and volumetric. This is the one we call titration. Then under gravimetric, it has its own branch again. It has its own branch, which are one, precipitation, then two, volatilization, and three, electrogravimetric. Then under instrumental is also divided into three. That is, this one involves use of instruments as well. So you say they are divided into three: electrochemical, method. Then the next one is spectrometric method, and the next one is chromatographic method. So all these are done, all these are experimented on quantitative analysis. These are broadly done in chemistry. Okay, now we have a question on the board. This question is under gravimetric analysis. Now they said a sample of 1.24 gram of drug containing manganese was heated in a solution of nitric acid. The solution was made alkaline with ammonium hydroxide, and excess hydrogen sulfide was bubbled through it. 0.29 gram of magnesium sulfide was obtained. What is the percentage of magnesium? What is the percentage of manganese in the original drug sample? The concentration of manganese in ppm. This means parts per million. Now, this is a typical question on gravimetric analysis. And in gravimetric analysis, volatilization can be involved there, precipitation can be involved there, electrogravimetric can also be involved there. Now, for you to solve this question, you must have a well-balanced equation. You must represent it with a well-balanced equation. Now, what you do now is that they say the sample of the drug, that sample contains manganese. It does not mean that all the whole sample will react with nitric acid. It is this manganese that have intrinsic property to react with nitric acid. So because of that, we now say, if you carry this drug and pour this nitric acid inside it, what will react is manganese. What it will react with is manganese. Because of that, we will now represent our equation to be manganese 2 plus manganese plus nitric acid. So it is the manganese in the drug that will react with this, because it is what have intrinsic property to react with nitric acid. So once these two react, what will happen is that there will be formation of manganese nitrate. with evolution of hydrogen gas. This gas will evolve